So finally I put the furniture down and we assemble all of this. I am so pleased with the result. We have our closet with our clothes and papers and other stuff, and this in the small part I just put my flower, some pictures, my candle, and here we have our other supplies, and in this part also just a couple of things. I have a lot of space now, and even on this part I can put maybe a candle or something like this. It is very nice and very suitable to our apartment now. So I'm so pleased with the result, and hopefully you'll find interesting this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.